You probably already know of a few others. When the Surge Transportation was going into bankruptcy, and the load board still had them listed as a an 80, 87 credit rating, right, when they're actively in bankruptcy. So you all know good examples, but I'm going to show you one I kind of stumbled across here by accident, and it's a really good example. So point that out to you today. The company is Credit Safe. It's creditsafe.com, and they're going to have me post a clickable link here. I'll put it in the description below the video. I'll post it in a pinned comment there. So if you guys want to explore this for yourselves, just click that link. It'll take you to the part of Credit Safe that with the guy that knows about transportation. Okay, it's going to go specifically to him. Really helpful people, great people. If you're interested, they'll give you an online demo, and their service is very affordable. Now, for full disclosure, I pay for the service. I did not receive this service for free. I've been paying for it for, I believe, almost 6 months. I wanted to use it for a good period of time before I decided whether or not this was something to put out there for other people. So I think it is. So all that being said, let's just, I'm going to share my screen here, and we'll start with, everybody uses a DAT load board, right?